How to recover a forgotten Betfred password. If you'd like to recover a forgotten Betfred password, it is rather quite simple for us to achieve that. What we have to do is just open up your browser, go to betfred.com, click the login button located at the top right hand side. Now if you had remembered your password and username, you would be able to enter them and then you'd be able to log in without any sort of issues. But since in this case you've happened to forget your respective password, you have to go to the option that says I forgot my login details and just tap on it. When you select I forgot my login details, the login detail that we forgot specifically is a password. So select the option my password. Now just enter the email address that you registered with your Betfred account and you have to make sure to have access to this email. Let me tell you right away that if you do not have access to this email address, you cannot recover your password. Now once you've entered that, just hit the send button. It will ask us to check the email that is sent to our mail. So let's just go ahead and then log into our inbox right there. And when we log in, this is the interface you will see. You can see we've gotten a link from Betfred that says that we need to reset our Betfred password. So we'll open that link, go to the option, click here, and it will take us to the new page where we will be able to go ahead and then set a new password, as you can see, without having to remember my old password. So you can enter a new password and hit the reset my password button. This way you can recover a forgotten password on Betfred. I hope the video pretty much helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.